Hello everybody, I'm Onion Teacher. Today I'm going to make with this chocolate. You like chocolate, right? But I'm going to make how to eat chocolate healthy with sweet potato and nuts. Are you ready to make chocolate crunchy ball? Okay, come on.
Alright, we need chocolate, cooked sweet potato, stick cookie, pretzel, almond and walnut, sprinkles, kind of candy, warm water, oil paper, rolling pin, plastic gloves. First, melt the chocolate. It's hot, so I hope you ask your mother. Next, peel the cooked sweet potato. Put almond and walnut in plastic bag and crush it with rolling pin. If you hit too hard, plastic bag can tear, so be careful. Yay! Sounds like get stressed out. Mix crushed nuts and sweet potato. Sweet potato have lots of fiber, so good for the poo. Nuts have lots of good fats, which make our brain smarter. If you mix well, make it round. Make round 3. Other 3 things make little flats. Put stick cookie in round things and then put it in and out of the melted chocolate. Looks like chocolate lollipop. Before the chocolate hardens, decorate it with sprinkles. Cover the chocolate on the flat ball with spoon. This will be a spider. Make spider's eyes with sprinkles. break the pretzel and make spider's legs. How many legs does a spider have? Oh, I know, it's 7, right? No, I know. It's 8, right? Put in the sweet potato ball. I made the web for spider with leek. It's really like spider, right?
Ta-da! Yay! I'm done. Today I made this is chocolate crunch pop and this is chocolate crunchy spider. So I hope you enjoy this healthy chocolate food. Okay? So see you next time. Bye bye!